Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share this hard to find piece from Louis Vuitton. So I've been stalking the website for several months, and finally I got lucky to own this beautiful 4-key holder. So this has always been out of stock, so the only way to get it is through the notification. So when you go to the website, it says it's out of stock, and below that it says notify me. So it's the notify me, the word notify me is highlighted in black. So when you click that one, you could enter your email address to be notified when the product becomes available. In my case, I receive a several notification that it's back in stock. And when I'm about to place it in my cart, right away it says this product's not in stock. So really there's a lot of people waiting for this item to be restocked. So you have to act fast before somebody else's get it. So in my case, I kept trying. So I didn't give up checking the website several times a day. And after months and months of waiting, months of checking, I successfully ordered this beautiful piece. Order it in March. Yeah. March 30th. So I got this one in March 30th. So I was so happy because I got the order number, and apparently I felt so nervous because the status stays the status keep stays order in preparation for several days, like 3 days, and this particular item is highly sought after. And also there's also a possibility that it might get I might get a return already been used, or something that typically shows signs of wear, which happened to me in the past. So here we go. So yes, this one is again made up of a monogram canvas, and it has the gold hardware. Yes, definitely gold hardware, and the gold snap closure right there. And the inside, it has the 4-key hooks, which is also in gold. And the one I got is made in France. So let's see. This one is made in France. And then the date code. Let's see if I could find the date code. See, the date code is in this corner as far as I remember. And it says CT0290. So that means this was made on the 9th week of 2020. Smells so good. The leather smells so good, guys. Oh my gosh. I love sniffing it. So I also ordered, I'm still waiting for my 6-key holder, and that one is in Damier Ebene. And it's probably been like almost a week and still in preparation, and hopefully they're gonna ship it soon. there's a quick look for this beautiful piece. That's pretty much it. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.